Hello and welcome to week 3 Let's Fill class exercises. Today we're going to test drive all the different fill types and how they behave under different conditions. Some of the tools will automatically generate stitches and some will generate a secondary artwork. If you're wanting an outline on a shape and you're using one of the tools that goes directly from artwork to stitches, you're going to need to make an exact copy of that. And instead of using the duplicate, in Art and Stitch, if you do the copy paste, it puts them right on top of each other. If you want to fill around a shape, then you need to transform your artwork, because when we first create our shapes, we're going to have a block and an area to be stitched around. And in order for Art and Stitch to be able to fill around that, you have to do something called transform artwork and exclude the two shapes from each other. In that case, both the shape and the outline need to be selected, and we'll do several exercises so you'll get the hang of it by the time we're done. For each exercise, we're going to fill within a shape and then around a shape. The first one we're going to do is motif fill. So in order to get started, we're going to go over to our library, make sure we're in the folder labeled shapes, and we're going to click on Bird 2. In order to enlarge Bird 2 to the fill to view, I'm going to go ahead and click on my spacebar, and now it's the largest that I can edit at any given time. The first fill we're going to use is the motif fill, and you can find that in the second column below the pink square. When you click on that, it's going to fill your shape with pattern 211. This is the default fill, but you have many options rather than just this one. So if you click down where it says pattern 211, you're going to see there's a whole bunch of different designs you can choose. And if you keep scrolling down, you're going to see ones that start with EMB. The ones labeled EMB are for the embroidery part of Art and Stitch Plus. In the base, we're using the quilting and